I'm good. How are you?
I get to fall in the weather and be around people that come having a good time.
Yeah. Yeah, I know.
I have a nice umbrella here, so I can put the glasses.
Yeah. I just filmed the Hangover right over there.
Yeah, that's my buddy over here. That's King.
Yeah.
He actually loves to be filmed.
Oh, wow. Wow. What, this one? I've been on this thing before. Yeah. Hey, Ma, remember the past years when they would have the festival here? They would add extra rides like the Arctic Blast. I wish that was here. That would be nice. Which one? The Hurricane ride. Yep. That's a yellow one. Last year it was the pink one.
What's your favorite ride here that's here now?
Yep.
What's your favorite one?
The Hangover, pretty much this one too I like.
They got one called, I think it's called like the Hyperloop.
Yes, I love the 360 ride.
Like
yeah.
Oh, you know about it, okay?
Yeah, I've heard about it.
Yeah, I just started the job like a little over a month ago.
Oh, wow.
Finding a couple rides, boost me up a little bit.
Yeah.
And we fought, like I said, we followed the weather.
Yeah.
And here are people want to have a good time.
1, 2, 3.